Hey guys, it's your girl Mafia, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make the best shrimp tacos ever. Like, trust me, these shrimp tacos are bomb. And as a matter of fact, I will pay you to show me somebody that's going to make shrimp tacos better than me. I'll wait. Exactly, nobody. So let's go ahead and make these shrimp tacos, and I'm gonna show you what you need to get started. And actually, before we do that, this meal takes about 20 minutes tops, so it's really fast, and it'll spend you about maybe $20 to $30 out your pocket. So it's really not expensive. It's really fast and simple to make. Let me go ahead and show you guys the ingredients. So, all right, you guys, it's pretty simple. So of course you need the shrimp. And then you got red bell pepper. I cut mine into slices. If you want to cut it into squares, cube, or whatever, feel free to do so. I like it better this way. Red onions, some limes, and that's just to sprinkle on top because that lime juice be hidden. Some corn tortillas, some red pepper flakes, and some Old Bay seasoning. Like, that's literally all you need. And I know you're probably like, Old Bay seasoning, that's it? Old Bay seasonings and peppers, that's it? That's all you need? Sis, trust me. That's all you need. It's so much flavor in this Old Bay seasoning that you don't need anything else. So please don't use anything else. And if you do, then, you know, hey, that's on you. But that's all you need. I'm telling you. Trust me, I got you. And I'm just kidding. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So I already have my skillet heated up on medium-high heat. I'm going to take my bell peppers and my onions, and that's going to be the first thing that I decide to get first. So I'm using extra virgin olive oil because we try to be a little bit healthy around these parts. Just some, just a little bit, you know. So, like I said, this is already hot. And I don't have to show y'all how to do bell peppers and onions. I mean, everybody should know how to saute some bell peppers and onions by now. So, let's go ahead and throw these in. Alright, so those are cooking up. And, oh, while that's cooking up, we're going to go ahead and season our shrimp. So, let me see. I don't even measure it. I just kind of season it, just, you know, eye it. So, let me see, like, and this is going to be real ghetto because I'm going to measure it by shapes. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just season it. I'm feeling y'all, ain't I? Just season it and get it on there and get it marinated while the veggies are cooking. And put a little bit more in there. Everybody had their own taste, so you know, try it out first. Try it with a little seasoning first, and then, you know, if it's not enough, you know, then add a little bit more next time. But don't ever just over season something, because you know, once you over season it, it's trash. It's gone. It's gonna be done. So I just suggest a little bit of seasoning. Boom. I'm also going to do hot pepper flakes in there too. A little bit of hot pepper flakes. I'm sorry y'all can't see because I don't have a helper to help record, but y'all get the idea. Alright, these veggies coming out good. They look fire already. Smells so good. Alright, y'all. I did forget one thing. I forgot the salt. So the salt does not go on the food, well, on the shrimp, but it does go on the veggies. Because you got to give your veggies a little bit more flavor. Like, you have to put just a sprinkle of salt. Just a sprinkle. You don't even need that much. It takes the water out the veggies, or it makes it come out, and it gives it flavor as well. So you got to add the salt. And the veggies are almost done. It smells so good. So good. Lotus flower bomb. You know, I never know the words to any song. You take me on. And that perfume smells so good. I'm trying to detonation. about to cheat. So good. Alright, so while that's cooking, we already got our shrimp marinated and all that good stuff. What y'all doing? I know we all quarantining, so I'm so tired of being in the house, like so tired. Like I'm about to get ready and kill somebody. I'm so bored, I'm gonna pull my own hair out. So I know if I'm bored, I know y'all bored. But y'all finding something to do, like record videos and stuff like I am. But because I have to show you guys exactly how it should look. You see how it's all brown and golden. It looks good. A little bit of char to it. So you want your veggies to look like that. Then you can go ahead and take them off. And then start cooking your shrimp. Alright, y'all. A little bit of olive oil to the pan. Boom. And we'll add our shrimp. Ooh, that's hot. What was I thinking? Woo! What was I thinking? Alright, y'all, so I turned down the grease because it was too hot for my shrimp. So I turned it down to medium high-ish. So we'll go ahead and cook the shrimp. Just throw them boys in there. And I've been on this Joyner Lucas. Like, I've been on his album. That album is decent. I love rap music. So I definitely been blasting that. Put y'all on the summer. Alright, I'm trying to get all my shrimp to touch the skillet. But I think I probably put too much shrimp in here. Nope, they're curling up. Alright, so you want all your shrimp to touch the skillet so they can cook evenly, and just let them rest. Just let them sit there. Like, let them do their thing, because if you keep flipping them, then they're not going to get that crust around it. You want it to get that crust. Like, that's what makes them good, that crust. Just let them sit. Just let them sit and cook and rest. Like, don't touch them. Even though you want to touch them, like, don't touch them, because it's not going to get the crust. So just let them cook up. So remember that little crust I told you guys about? Like, to wait. See, that one's not done, but you see it gets the little crust on it. That's what you want. That brown. That's what you want. Ooh, that's that seasoning from that Old Bay. My stove cooks unevenly, so I be having to play with it. But that's what y'all want. So I end up like cooking these on like maybe after about maybe 5 minutes, then I flip them. And I'm letting them cook on the other side. So since now it has the crust and color on there, I'm stirring them how I want to stir them now, because they're already crusted. And I'm also going to add the veggies back to the skillet. You don't have to. You can just, you know, create your taco how you want to create it. And leave everything separate and just pile it on there. But I like to add everything back, because I like the flavor from the peppers and the onions to get all over my shrimp. And look at that. And that's how your shrimp should look. I'm going to show you guys. The shrimp is still like juicy. It's not dried out. It's still pretty good. It got color and flavor to it. So then you just turn that off and take it off, let it rest. And then now I'm going to show you guys how to cook the shells. Because we're not going to just throw these shrimp on some warmed up corn shells. We're actually going to cook them and get them like crispy, because that's what's going to make them the bomb tacos. Like, that's, I told y'all, that's what makes them bomb. Alright, you guys, so I'm getting ready to do the shells, and I am going to take one of my corn shells. I have my heat on like high, medium high, and I'm going to just drop it in there and let that fry up for a second. And then I'm going to pick up one end, fold it, and just kind of hold it. And as you can see, I'm not using a huge pot, because I mean, it's like you only cooking one at a time. I mean, And you see how it's browning and it's getting crunchy. So this is pretty much like hard shell corn tortillas. Yep, so you see that? Look at that. Boom. Look at that, standing straight up. That's all you need. Let's do another one. Drop it. Turn it on one side, hold it up, out the grease. And you can make these as crunchy and crispy as you want. I don't want mine too crunchy. It's not going to be exactly like hard shell, but it will be crispy. All right. See that? That's what you want. So the food is done. We're getting ready to plate this. I do have two different sauces here. I have a red Roja taco sauce from Herdez, I guess, and which is pretty good. And I also have green Taco Bell verde salsa, which is also pretty good. And I also have some guacamole. Now, I normally make my guacamole from scratch, but every grocery store I went to was sold out, or not sold out, but they had like crappy avocados, like really soft and black and everything like that. And I don't really like soft, mushy guacamole. So I just picked up some from Whole Foods for $5.75, and this is pretty good. It's not the same as the homemade, but it's pretty good. It's pretty close. So let's go ahead and start plating this. Right. And boom, boom. Hit it with a little guacamole. I love guacamole. You don't have to put it on there. You can put yours on the side, which is what some people choose to do, but I like mine right on top. And let's squeeze a lime. Oh my God. Oh my God. And now for the taste test, because you know they always got to taste their food at the end. So so far they're so bomb, y'all. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you try this recipe and you tweak it or you do different things, make sure you drop the comments below, because I'm interested to see what you do or how you make it your own. And don't forget to subscribe.